Chicken broth. Chicken broth is a popular base for soups and stews due to several reasons. Flavor enhancement. Chicken broth adds a rich and savory flavor to the dish. The slow simmering of chicken bones and meat with vegetables and seasonings imparts a depth of taste that enhances the overall flavor profile of the soup or stew. Nutrient content. Chicken broth contains essential nutrients such as protein, vitamins, and minerals. As the broth simmers, it extracts valuable nutrients from the chicken bones and vegetables, making it a nutritious base for your soup or stew. Versatility. Chicken broth is versatile and complements a wide range of ingredients. Whether you're making a vegetable soup, chicken noodle soup, or a hearty stew with various meats and vegetables, chicken broth serves as a neutral and adaptable foundation. Texture improvement. The collagen released from chicken bones during the simmering process turns into gelatin, which gives the broth a slightly thicker texture. This can contribute to a more satisfying mouthfeel and add body to the soup or stew. Hydration. Broth is a hydrating element in soups and stews. The liquid content not only adds moisture to the dish but can also be beneficial for hydration, especially when paired with vegetables and other ingredients that release water during cooking. Health benefits. Chicken broth is often praised for its potential health benefits. It may help soothe sore throats and alleviate cold symptoms. Some believe it has anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, the warmth of the broth can be comforting. Economical. Using chicken broth as a base can be a cost-effective way to make large batches of soup or stew. It allows you to stretch the flavor while still enjoying a hearty and satisfying meal. In summary, the rich flavor, nutritional content, versatility, texture enhancement, and potential health benefits make chicken broth a popular choice for soups and stews. It provides a solid foundation for building a delicious and nourishing dish. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm's Kitchen. Associated with Afsan Farm Media Production. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy dinner recipe? Look no further. Introducing a flavorful turkey breast and vegetable dish. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the turkey breast with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and sear the turkey breast until golden brown on all sides. Once seared, transfer the turkey breast to a baking dish. In the same skillet, add more olive oil and sauté onions, bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots until tender. Season the vegetables with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Spread the cooked vegetables evenly around the turkey breast in the baking dish. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the foil and continue baking for another 15 to 20 minutes until the turkey breast is cooked through. Remember to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the turkey breast rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve with a generous helping of the roasted vegetables. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mushroom with spinach pasta. To start, heat some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the sliced mushrooms and sauté until they are golden brown and tender. Next, add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Now, it's time to add the fresh spinach leaves and cook them until they wilt down. While the spinach is cooking, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook your pasta according to the package instructions. Make sure to reserve some of the pasta cooking water before draining. Drain the pasta and add it to the pan with the mushrooms and spinach. Toss everything together, adding a splash of the reserved pasta cooking water to create a light sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little heat. Finally, sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese over the top and stir everything together until the cheese is melted and coats the pasta. Plate your delicious mushroom with spinach pasta, and garnish with some fresh parsley for a pop of color. This recipe is perfect for a quick and easy weeknight dinner or even for entertaining guests. A tasty, healthy and delicious meal. The combination of earthy mushrooms, nutritious spinach, and flavorful pasta is simply irresistible. I love how the simplicity of this dish allows the natural flavors to shine through. You can also customize it by adding other ingredients, like sun-dried tomatoes or grilled chicken. Whether you're a vegetarian or just looking for a meatless meal option, this mushroom with spinach pasta is a winner. So why not give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it turns out for you. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm's Kitchen. Associated with Afsan Farm Media Production.